The next riff is basically an A section, or a verse, more or less, but I start it by playing it in a higher octave, and then I move it down and play kind of the same vibe in a lower octave. Okay, to kind of break down this pre-verse, I call it, it's based on an eighth note triplet pattern, and something that I really focus on is really accenting the first note of each triplet pattern. So if I'm playing this riff slowly, you can kind of hear me accenting the first note. One of the things that you really want to pay attention to on this riff is that you're actually doing a string skipping thing off the actual foundation of the two notes. So it's very important that you pay close attention to your right hand, making sure you have total accuracy there. So basically I'm repeating this shape from the second finger to the first finger, but I'm string skipping here. But then, actually, to end the riff, I'm playing three notes in unison from string to string to string. So it's... So the whole idea here is just accuracy with the right hand and paying close attention and making sure you get that very tight. So you just basically keep on repeating that, and I believe that goes twice, and then I basically do the same vibe. It's not the same notes, but then I'm playing it an octave lower. So let me show you that next riff. To end the riff, I'm just coming down on a minor scale, starting on the 5th fret, 3rd string.